Hi everybody, it's Alyogi. Welcome to Green Living Path. It's awesome to see you. Namaste everybody. Today we're going to do work the spinal twist to activate the spine. We're going to open out the inner thigh and we're going to do some energizing poses to tone and rejuvenate your muscles. Okay, so the first pose is just a relaxing pose just to open you up a little bit. So we're going to do that. So just follow me. Just link the breath of all your poses. You've got receptors that take in prana here in your skull. So just breathing in through your nose like this. And then just relaxing through the mouth. And just follow that all the way through that breath of all the poses, guys. So it's great to see you. Let's get started. So just lying down in Baddha Konasana. Putting your hands out, stretching, interlocking the fingers, stretching out, just using the breath, guys. Nice, deep, flowing breaths. Again. Again, breathing in through the nose. Great, and then just gently exhale through the mouth. Relaxing, letting go. Just relaxing, letting go of any worries. Taking in that nice prana through the nose. Breathing out. Great, so just gently put the right foot over, the left foot over, and then just come down, stretching your hands out, rotating your head over to the right shoulder, and then just taking in the breaths, and just letting go. Feeling a hip stretch, and then just gently coming up and doing the opposite side now. Use the breath. Breathing in through the nose, guys, out through the mouth. Twisting the spine, releasing, opening out the arms. Rotating the chin to the left shoulder. Oh, that's great. Well done. So just pull the knees up to the chest, hugging them. Staying in the pose. Right, so just coming back down. So we're just going to get into down dog. So just putting your hands out on all fours, neutral pose, pushing back out. Initially put your heels up off the ground. Opening into the armpits, guys. And then just gently put your feet down if you can. Pushing back into full down dog. Keep the breath going. Keep going. Great work. And then just gently coming back into plank. Now just hold this pose. Keep going. And then just come down and then pushing up into cobra. Oh, it's great. Open the heart out. Feel linking the breath with the pose. Pushing the shoulders back. Just sitting in the pose, great. And then just gently come back into full child's pose, putting your knees towards the mat, to the sides of the mats, guys. And then just stretching out, melting your heart down towards the mat, putting your forehead on the ground. Just pulling back with your arms, sitting back into your hips, using that breath to elongate the spine. That's great. And just gently coming back onto all fours again. Putting the feet under and pushing back up. Feet off the ground, guys, for the people that putting your hands out a little bit and then just dropping the heels down. Right. Keep that breath going. Pushing back down with the heels. Lifting the hips. And then just gently walking up. Folding down. Forward fold, Uttanasana. Grabbing the toes. Staying in this pose, hanging over the hips. Good, guys. Working that breath. Letting the head drop down. Elongate the spine. Imagine your head is a ball and it's on the end of a chain, which is your vertebrae, and you're letting your vertebrae separate. Good. Just relaxing now with the pose, and then gently roll yourself up. Awesome. And just roll your shoulders, guys. That's it. Just releasing your shoulders. Practicing lightheartedly, using this breath. It's great. Building the prana, elongating all the muscle tissue, the spine. Okay, so I just want you to stand with your shoulders back, mountain pose. Standing there, just shoulders back, really erect the spine, guys. And then just gently grab your foot and step, putting the hands out, and gently just place your hands in prayer pose on your heart. Feeling really relaxed. Beautiful. Great. Stay in the poses, working the legs. Great. And then just gently coming down into mountain pose again, guys. Standing, putting your shoulders back, standing nice and straight. And the other side, just bringing your foot up. You can bend your knee a bit if you get a little bit of a balance. And then put your hands out. And then just gently putting your hands towards your chest. Just be grateful for what you've been given, this life. It's really good. Smiling with the pose. Great, guys. It's so good. so good to see you guys practicing yoga. It really helps. It's like a fountain of happiness when I do yoga and meditation and pranayama. I do different types of yoga too, so I don't Kriya yoga for all your chakras. I do that as well, so I do a variety of yoga. And just coming out of that pose and just putting your foot parallel to the edge of the mat, stepping your left leg out, hand on hip, reaching out, and then just gently grabbing wherever's comfortable, guys. Wherever you're comfortable in the pose Sukra, straightening that leg out, rotating the shoulder, looking up, opening out that shoulder, make sure the legs are nice and straight, rotating this hip here, back that way. Nice and strong. Trikonasana, triangle pose. Opening that top shoulder out. Keep going. And then just gently coming back out of the pose, putting both feet to the front, and then rotate the other side. Putting the left hand on the left hip, stretching out. Wherever you're comfortable. Now rotating that top shoulder back and putting your hand up like that, Trikonasana. Great, guys. Just work on that pose. Great. Then just jump to the front, and we're just going to stop the practice now, slow it down. So it was great to have you guys for opening the hips, shoulders, elongating the vertebrae, using prana receptors that store here in the body. So we were doing that. And so I just want you to put your hands to your heart. Take a nice deep breaths. Feel the prana going through your whole body, into your mind, into every cell of your body. Feeling energized, happy, setting an intention to have a beautiful day, guys. Feeling that energy flooding through your whole body, your whole pranic body. Taking another deep breath in. Right. Breathing out. Just taking time for yourself each day to be still, feeling your inner self, your essence, your infinite self. Great, guys. So just putting your hands to the heart. I salute you. Namaste. Thank you, everybody, for joining. Now, just tab subscribe if you can. That'd be awesome. Make a comment or a like. So this